say yeah.
I said yeah.
Let me hear you say yeah.
I said yeah.
I say yeah.
I said yeah.
Would I take a thing with me? Give it to a policeman? I wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't do that. I'm not a fool to hurt myself. In a sense that was done to me, they were wrong. Oh yeah, they were wrong. Give it to me one time. Give it to me 2 times. Give it to me 3 times. Give it to me 4 times. 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. Oh, those bars could not hold me now. No, those bars could not hold me now. You know, real lock you away. Right now, for you in the day. Right now, by the mighty high God, I turn you loose. I say 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. Okay, what we normally do, we ask people to join in with the give it to me one time, and there's a word we always use. It's the most useful word in the English language. Some of you know it, you can be used in all occasions, we've used it here before, and that is oi! Gets you whatever you want, especially in East End. So, give it to me 1 time. Give it to me 2 times. Give it to me 3 times. Give it to me 4 times. 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. Okay, that's brilliant. Let's make downstairs wonder what the hell is going on, right? Yes. Give it to me 1 time. Give it to me 2 times. Give it to me 3 times. Give it to me 4 times. 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. 54, 46 was my number. Right now, someone else has that number. Right, we're going out with one big oi. But thank you very much. And you're going to really enjoy the Persecuted. And thanks very much for inviting us, Persecuted, you lovely people, our friends. So one last oi to say goodnight and thanks again. Give it to me 1 time. Oi! Yeah, I like that. Thank you and good night. Thank you, good night. Oh, thank you very much. We don't take much asking.